MMI is a smart way to buy and sell machinery because I think of the team we have together, because of our data, because of our marketing, and because of our execution.
From our operations to our marketing to our sales team, our procurement team, everybody takes a step in and contributes to the success of any project that we're dealing with.
We have done projects, everything from aerospace to automotive to oil and gas. And every day I come in here and it's a new challenge, and I love that about this company.
One of our fortes is that we are able to pay quickly and remove quickly. Our financial strength allows us to buy one machine or a complete facility.
If you need the machine to be out in the next 5 days, it basically means that we would have to make a cash purchase and get this equipment to our warehouse where we would store it and have it off their floors.
One of the key benefits, I think, to having a warehouse is for our buyers being able to inspect the equipment.
They can fly into Midway or O'Hare, and our warehouse is only 20 minutes from both airports.
Our warehouse team can put the machines under power to display it running with the full cycle, running the control.
We perform ball bar tests, we perform accuracy tests, repeatability tests, just to ensure that it is in par with new machines.
MMI is the smart way to buy and sell machinery because we invest in our data and are very technology forward.
And we really focus on data because we think it's central to finding machines and also finding buyers for our customers that have machines.
We have over 350,000 individual contacts, which includes the equipment that they have purchased in the past and equipment that they have shown interest in. By having more eyes on your machine basically means that your machine sells quicker.
We're constantly responding to new developments in the software industry to be able to ensure that the platform that we have is the most up-to-date and responds most to our clients' needs.
For MMI, no job is too big. We have worked with companies that have over 600 pieces of CNC machines that they have sold, and we have hosted auctions for them.
Our liquidation allows us to sell all the equipment, and so nothing is left over, and we can guarantee that.
When you have these larger auction events, you can be dealing with up to 60 different buyers. Our knowledge of the industry and the different types of machines really prepares us to be able to forecast exactly what needs to happen for each machine.
That allows our buyers to be prepared for the machine to arrive in the great condition, plug and play, and start cutting parts.
MMI is a turnkey solution for our buyers and our sellers.
We can handle anything from single machines to full facilities.
MMI can offer you a solution that is going to fit into your timeline and in your budget.
If you need the entire plant cleared and broom swept at the end of it, then we can provide that as well.
Everything is just a click away or a phone call away.
We don't want to be thought of as a machinery dealer. We want to be thought of as a partner.